So today I'm off on a new adventure. I'm doing a Balinese cooking class at Chef Bagus. Sorry Matt, you're sitting out for this one.
What did you say? Take it and try it in the song. Give it to me. I'll do it all. Nothing. No. We do a little bit chuck. We are 7 minutes behind time. We are here for lunch, okay?
90 grams of galangal.
Galangal, this one. You put all the chilies in? You like it spicy? Sorry, Brad. You will never give something or pass something to your friend or your family in Bali like this. This is for you. Never. If you are busy with your carry something or dirty hand here, if you want to pass this one with your left hand, you need to cross your hand. I'm sorry, I use my left hand. This is for you.
Chef split us up into two. The mamas, we do the basic cooking, okay, and the dadders read and tell us what to do. And then now the dadders do the hard cooking, so they're going to do the chicken. This chicken is fresh as of 3 a.m. this morning. It's not from a shop. It's just fresh chicken, raring to go. So the dadders here are going to split the chicken and get it ready for cooking.
Salt, pepper, inside, outside, please. I still can accept about 95% okay. And then normally I put salt and pepper here. The three chicken. This is, oh my god.
Too much pepper, mum.
Where's the last one over there? Can you turn? Where's the pepper? Where's the pepper gone? Now, this chicken under the skin. You see here? The stuffing under the skin will protect the breast from drying out. Look at this. Like they do this for the turkey, they put the butter. Okay, I'll start from that chicken and this chicken. The two chicken here. Okay? From 100 point, we give you how much? 92. Keep going, more. Okay, too much. Yum. All in. Is not fall apart because the meat will stick on the bamboo skewer. We do like a little temple.
Spicy. Fish and meat.
Sweet fish meat. Yes! Very good. Which one you cook? Meat. This is for you. Which one you cook?
Sweet.
This is for you.
Now that you come this far into the video,
Click like and subscribe, and it's free. And thanks for watching. We're at the dressing now.
The dressing. No, the dressing.
Oh, boneless chicken.
Okay, the chicken. What's next?
Oil,
Okay, done.
baked spice paste.
Okay, now. Sorry, I will add the basics, the spice first. Yeah, more food coming. So we still have more food coming. Boom. Thank you very much.
did you go back?
Fantastic. I've got the secret recipe for his famous ribs. I can't wait to go home and try it. The cooking class was fantastic. Highly recommend it. Cook and eat as you go. It's absolutely fantastic. Worth doing. So I've got the cookbook that has all the fantastic recipes with all the food that you actually get in the restaurant. So now I know how to cook some of the food, and you get a certificate as well. And it was a fantastic day.
But book early because
Book early. He was booked out for a week in advance.